Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this Nestle Munchies. Love to share, and this is how it looks like. It has some kind of sticky thing inside it and outside a proper chocolate, and each 6 pieces contain this much of fat, saturated sugar, salt. So it's a brand name is Nestle, and nutritional information is mentioned over here. The pack size is 104 gram, nothing much. So let's not waste time and open this. Munchies. Wow. So here comes the bowl, and this is how it looks like. Beautiful. There are more, as you can see. So I'm gonna taste one first. Really soft. As you can see, it's looking really hard. But it will just melt in your mouth. As in picture, this liquid part is shown. So here is the knife. See the jelly form, something. It's really soft, man. Camera, can you please focus? Focus. Yeah. So the inside part is also really soft. It's some kind of crunch, and then that liquid thingy, and then the chocolate, and really soft. I'll press it like this. Really soft. Loved it. Huge fan of chocolate. So friends, go and try these. They taste yum. And don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.